and imagine it's 2030. You're sitting in your corner office earning a six-figure salary in a job that didn't even exist 10 years ago. How did you get here? The answer: by mastering the 5 skills I'm about to reveal in this video. These aren't just any skills. They're the golden tickets to wealth in the future job market. The world of work is changing fast. AI and automation are reshaping industries, and new technologies are creating jobs we can't even imagine yet. But here's the thing: you don't need a crystal ball to prepare for this future. You just need the right skills. In this video, I'm going to show you the 5 most valuable skills for 2030. These aren't just random guesses. They're based on solid research and industry trends. And the best part, you can start learning them right now. So if you want to be ahead of the curve and set yourself up for success, keep watching. Your future self will thank you. All right, let's dive into these 5 golden skills that could make you rich by 2030. Trust me, these aren't your average job skills. They're the key to unlocking doors in industries that are about to explode. First up, we've got generative AI mastery. This isn't just about using ChatGPT to write your emails. We're talking about a skill that's going to reshape entire industries. Imagine being the go-to person for creating, automating, and saving time in both professional and everyday contexts. Companies are going to be desperate for people who can spot AI opportunities and develop efficient solutions. And get this, we're not just talking about tech companies. Every industry from healthcare to finance is going to need AI specialists and data scientists. Next on our list is data analysis and interpretation. Now, I know what you're thinking. Hasn't data been important for years? Well, yes, but here's the kicker. With AI generating more data than ever before, we need people who can turn that data into real, actionable insights. It's not just about crunching numbers anymore. It's about understanding how to use that data to drive business success and make ethical decisions. Speaking of ethics, our third golden skill is sustainability expertise. With more and more businesses aiming for net zero targets, people who can identify and implement green solutions are going to be in high demand. Think sustainability consulting, green tech implementation, and making sure companies comply with environmental regulations. This isn't just good for the planet. It's going to be great for your wallet, too. Skill number 4 might surprise you: advanced communication and emotional intelligence. In a world where AI is handling more and more tasks, human-to-human skills are becoming even more valuable, especially in fields like healthcare and leadership, where empathy and interpersonal abilities are crucial. As one expert puts it, doctors, nurses, and other health professionals are increasingly able to augment their skills with AI tools. But human qualities like emotional intelligence and empathy will always be critical to their roles. Last but not least, we've got adaptive project management. This isn't your grandpa's project management. We're talking about combining strategic thinking with the ability to leverage AI tools for tasks like scheduling and resource allocation. The key here is being able to see the big picture and make high-level decisions that AI just can't handle yet. These 5 skills are your ticket to success in 2030. But here's the million-dollar question: how do you actually master them? Well, that's exactly what we're going to cover next. Let's break down your roadmap to mastery. First up, online courses and certifications. Platforms like Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, and edX are gold mines for learning these in-demand skills. They offer courses in everything from data science to digital marketing. But here's the key: don't just watch the videos. Actually do the work and get those certifications. They'll make your resume stand out in a sea of applicants. But learning isn't just about sitting behind a screen. You need to get your hands dirty with practical projects. If you're diving into data science, start creating your own data analysis projects. Build visualizations, make predictive models, then showcase your work on platforms like GitHub or your own website. This isn't just busy work. It's building your portfolio, your ticket to impressing future employers. Now let's talk about networking. I know, it's not always comfortable, but it's crucial. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and get active in online communities related to your target field. LinkedIn isn't just for job hunting. It's a goldmine for connecting with industry pros who can mentor you. But what if you're not starting from scratch? Maybe you're looking to pivot your career. Good news. You probably already have skills that will transfer to these future jobs. Tools like SkillScan or MySkillsFuture can help you identify your strengths and map them to your dream career. Next step, create a personal development plan. Set specific goals, timelines, and list out the resources you'll need. But don't just set it and forget it. Review and adjust regularly based on your progress and feedback from mentors. Finally, let's talk about how to make the pivot. Tailor your resume and the LinkedIn profile to highlight those transferable skills. Show off your adaptability and problem-solving skills with specific examples. And don't be afraid to experiment with freelance projects or side hustles. They're great ways to get real-world experience and make yourself more attractive to employers. All right, let's talk about your million-dollar future. We've covered the 5 golden skills and how to master them. But what does this really mean for you? Picture this. It's 2030, and you're not just surviving in the job market, you're thriving. Those skills we talked about, they're your superpower. So what are you waiting for? Your million-dollar future is calling.